Alright, I just opened my boxes from OemExperts.com. Let's go ahead and look into it. I'm happy about what I got right here. We got basketballs. See that? Spalding, NBA official. Got Motorola. Got that Moto hint. I got boxes of these wild flags. Matter of fact, let me show you what this is right here. This is one of the open boxes down here. Alright. We got that wild flag. That's the back of the box. Got that wild flag. Wireless earbuds E-series. More basketballs back here. So, this is a very, very nice little care package that I got from OemExperts. And the thing that has bothered me for many, many years, perplexed me for many, many years, is finding a supplier that actually is legit and stands by the product they say. All this stuff is official. Everything I just showed you in here is official. This is, real stuff, all brand new, still in bags. You know what I mean? The basketballs ain't even been pumped up yet. You know what I mean? All this stuff move fast. All this stuff make money. All this stuff make a lot of money. Fast shipping, came through right on time. Bobby was the man. You know what I mean? Like whenever I needed something, whenever I called him, if it was an issue, he handled it and he handled it promptly. All the things I had been looking for years. I've been looking for this stuff for like 3 years. Been having trouble. Ain't gonna have no trouble no more. I got OemExperts. OemExperts.com. OemExperts.com. They for real, they legit. You want to make you some money on the internet. You want to make you some money in your own store. You want to do anything that got something to do with retail, you contact OemExperts. Matter of fact, tell Bobby I sent you.